DevOps functions as the critical bridge between software development and IT operations. It replaces siloed departments with a unified culture of shared responsibility, enabling teams to deliver high-quality software at unprecedented speeds. The DevOps lifecycle is a continuous loop consisting of 7 stages: plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, and monitor. Manual file versioning creates chaos, leading to cluttered directories filled with confusing names like Final v1, Final v2, and Final v3 real. Version control systems act as a time machine for your codebase. They record every modification, allowing you to revert to any previous state instantly and providing a complete history of who changed what. Version control is the backbone of DevOps, providing the audit trails and collaboration tools necessary for automated pipelines. By centralizing the source of truth, it enables seamless teamwork and ensures that deployments are consistent, repeatable, and secure. File using the echo command, then stage it for tracking by typing our Python file using echo, then stage it for tracking by running git add. We have successfully committed our file. We run git log to verify our history. Notice the commit ID, run git log to verify your history, showing the author, date,